In this video, I will share on how to install and configure a FTP server. With a FTP server, you can upload or download any files to the server. This is very useful if you also have a web server on the same computer, where you can upload your website's files into the web server. Please follow my video on how to install a web server, link in the description below. To install the FTP server, type the following command. After installation completed, we need to modify the FTP configuration. There are many settings available that can be configured here, but we will only focus on the basic configuration. Now, press the Ctrl and W key to invoke the search function. We need to search for entry called server name. Press the Enter key to start the search. Modify the server name that matches your current host name. Here is an example on how to name a FTP server. Next, we need to enable the passive ports for FTP server. Search an entry called passive ports. Remove the hash mark at the front to enable the configuration. Lastly, is to search for an entry called default route. Add the following line to route the default directory for a particular user that points to your website's location. When done, proceed to save and exit. Then, we need to restart the FTP service for the configuration to take effect. Now, you can use any FTP client to log into the FTP server. In this tutorial, I will be using WinSCP utility. Ensure the correct protocol is selected, which is FTP. Next, is to type the FTP server's IP address and the username. When prompted, type in the password. Now, you can continue to upload or download files for your website publishing use. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me.